Okay, so now we're at the Bellevue downtown park, and it's a nice place. It is a very nice place. American flags everywhere. 4th of July is right around the corner. You know, I really like it here. I've always heard Washington State was a nice place. Seattle area was nice. I never really made it out here until now. And I must admit, it is nice. Too bad it's a liberal. Too bad it's a liberal town. I can do without that, but otherwise, it's pretty sweet. I can dig it. But you wouldn't be able to tell. We got a lot of good patriotism going here with all these American flags. I like it. Hey, Nanette.
Hello.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, and then down here in the background we have just people out there. There's people out there doing whatever. I mean, just kind of a good old-fashioned get out of the house, go out to the park, walk the dog, sit in the grass, play with your soccer ball, whatever. It's just a nice, pleasant area. So yeah. She's taking selfies. Just like her sister. So we just came from back over that way. Can't really see because of all the trees, but that's where we came from. We're parked over there in the parking area, parking ramp. Yeah, very nice night. I'm enjoying it. Alright, talk to you in a few. Catch you in a bit. So, yeah, we got some waterfall action going on behind us. Still in the park. Little ducklings. Yeah. Pretty cool stuff. And then over in this area we got little kids play area, playground. Really sweet. Nanette's still taking selfies. Alright. Nice. There go the ducks. How are the selfies doing over there? You got all the selfies you need now? You're good?
Yes.
Alright. So I'm wondering if they do 4th of July fireworks in this area.
They usually do, but this one no.
No? Okay. Yeah, this is a really nice park. I really like it. Not something I do very often is go to parks. That's where we started up there, right? Way up there, let's see, let's get that again. By those American flags there. So that's where we started, and then we kind of walked down and around, and we came down these stairs. We stopped right there, so and then that could take, I don't know, probably about 20 or 30 selfies. Right? Oh, more? Two? Oh, yeah, right, two. Okay, sure. I got it. Whatever you say. Alright.
Like they said, the photographer will take like thousands.
Yeah.
That, and then they just pick one. Hello? Hello?
Okay. Working on the zoom.
Ginagala ko dito sa Bellevue. Oh, sige. Mausap na lang tayo bukas. Okay, sige, okay.
More condos. So, what do you think it costs to live around here?
Like 1 bedroom condo is like $2,500, between $2,500 to $3,500.
Are you kidding me? A month?
Yes.
For rent?
Yes. Parking is not included.
Jeez.
So with all those.
Forget it. No way. I'd rather live in the Philippines for $100 a month. $200 a month. Yeah, that's the best kept secret. I'm not going to tell anybody. Well, here I am telling everybody, but I'm not going to tell the world about how good of a deal it is to live over there. I'll let people stay back here in their $2,500 a month condos. That's fine. Not me. Well, I could never afford it anyways. So check this out. We got like a little, I don't know, a little channel, water channel here. Selfies again?
No, no more selfies.
No more selfies. I'm just giving you shit. Take all the selfies you want.
I just love the view.
Yeah. And then we got, look at this, man. We get just like these little areas to sit. People just come and sit. Playing volleyball, flying kites. Pretty slick. Let's walk around to the outside here real quick. And then we're just like on another section of town. Right outside the park. Okay, well, we get the gist of this scene. All right, we'll pause for a second. Okay, so now we're at Lake Washington, I guess, and We got, what is this? Kid Valley Hamburgers and Shakes. A little hamburger and shake joint right here in Lake Washington. You can go up the stairs and look out over yonder. And they have a seafood bar. And we have a sister-in-law taking selfies. No, just kidding. She's like, yeah, whatever, just leave me alone. Go to Hawaii, get out of here. Stop giving me shit about my selfies. So anyways, more water, Lake Washington. Don't know exactly what the significance of Lake Washington is, but it's nice. It's a nice area. We say this is right up by Puget Sound. It's, yeah. Okay, and then we got this little area. We got a hangar over there. Let me kind of zoom in on this hangar. Okay, right over yonder. Right there. That hangar is part of Boeing, part of the Boeing plant. Yeah. Supposedly, at least that's what Nanette is telling me. We saw the sign earlier, but I can't see it from here. I guess there's too many trees in the way or something. But anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, one of my college professors was her sister was like this.
So we're kind of like walking out on this little pier. It's pretty slick. Got the ducks floating around out there. This is just kind of looking back on the sitting area and the food places. Very nice. So this is what it looks like. And are we in Renton, or is this still like?
No, it's Renton.
This is Renton. Okay, so this is what it looks like in Renton, Washington at 7:30 in the evening in July. Pretty quiet. Anyways, that's all Boeing over there. Yeah. It's all Boeing over there, and then it goes deeper in. Yep. Pretty cool. Cool. Okay, so we did a little bit of the Bellevue Square Mall, the surrounding area of that mall throughout the park area, and then we jumped in the vehicle. We came down 405 and stopped here at this Washington Lake, and it's a very nice area outside of Boeing here. We can kind of see some of the jets over there, maybe. Whatever. But anyways, that's about it. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up, and thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Later. Have a good one.